I took off one and I took off the battery. I got it in the trunk. And I'm just doing my walkthrough.
Yeah, you're
real
good.
Fast. So I want them to fix that. Let me see. And the slide is in right now, guys.
This is a lot.
And I'm pretty sure this right here is the generator. Yeah. All right, guys. Today's another day. This week we are taking Optimus, aka Optimus Prime, our travel trailer to the dealership because our battery died, and we have to. They're gonna put a new battery on there and see why it died in the first place. So I took off the propane tanks. Well, we only have one propane tank anyway. I took off one and I took off the battery. I got it in the trunk. And I'm just doing my walkthrough real fast, make sure everything's good, hooked up. So yeah, we are going to drop it off. And so they can check out this battery. So, all right, so let's head on out there. We are going to Giant Recreational World to drop it off.
Go in the front. Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we made it over here to Palm Bay, over here to drop off this travel trailer. So I just unhooked it, made everything was good. Oh, I forgot to get the battery. I'm gonna have to go get the battery and put the battery back on there, because they're gonna come out here and get this one and take it to the back there. So I don't know how long we're gonna be out without Optimus, but hopefully it's not too long. But some of the things that I need to get checked out was, like I said, it was that battery. They need to fix that battery or give us a new battery. And coming on inside, this right here, we need to get this fixed right here, because once you move that table and you flip it upside down, or well, not flip it upside down, but we put it over there for us to sleep on it, this right here is coming off. So the laminate is coming off, so I want them to fix that. Let me see. And the slide is in right now, guys. That's why it looks like there's no room in here, because the slide is actually in. And then in the bathroom, we actually put our towel racks up here, and it kind of peeled off the wallpaper. So I'm gonna get them to fix that as well. Put the new wallpaper in there. This one right here was fine. When we hang the towels up there, everything was good with that. So, and I put some quick seal on the shower, and that stopped the shower from leaking when we was taking showers. And it could be due for me not being on level ground, because I told you I'm not really good at leveling when we park. We just wing it, guys. So, and that was pretty much it. There was no other issues that I had that we're having with the travel trailer. Everything else is just fine. So so that's about it. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna go get checked in, check in the trailer, and then we'll head on out. Wow, look at the storage. Look at the storage in this thing. Wow, that's a lot. Then we got all our tanks right here: cable, fresh water, city water, and sewer tank. Got on-demand hot water right there. Got an outdoor shower. Let's see how much storage we got over here, if this is storage. Okay, that's the propane right there. And then I'm pretty sure this right here is the generator. Yeah, got the generator right there too. Wow. All right. Well, guys, this is the plan. I like this one. I've always liked this one, so this might be in our future. This one right here, put that back down. Yep, this might be in our future. All right, guys, so this is a 27 XPS Pursuit 2025. Retailing for $159,000. I don't know about that. I think the price is much lower than that, but I'll go ahead and show you guys around this one real fast. So this one does not have a slide, but it does have a nice floor plan. And that's one thing I do like about it, is that you don't have to have a slide. It's the bathroom in there. bedroom right here. Shower. And this is what it looks like going towards the front. Josie. 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 I guess Josie went outside. She went to look at the body. So. Josie.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's nice. It's big. I don't.
Call me captain up in this piece.
I know, but I don't know.
What do you think? Think I can ride?
Well, of course you can, but
Think I can drive?
this is a lot.
You think I can drive?
Yeah, you can drive.
That's right. I can drive a Cadillac. I can drive it.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh yeah. Let's go look at the outside of it real quick.
Yeah.
Well, you can actually drive this too.
I don't.
Yeah, I think you can get some drive time in, Joe. Get the outside of it. Let's see. Get the front. Front of it looks good. I like the front of this. The side of it.
Yeah, they're saying you kind of stuff like this.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. Might have to upgrade. Yeah, this is pretty good. And again, guys, this is the 27 XPS 2025 Pursuit. So, yeah, we won't upgrade. Not yet, guys. We gotta put some more thought into it, but we will consider this one if we do decide to trade in our travel trailer.